Well, welcome to this edition. Today I wan do something from scratch. Some of my children dey say make I do, say they need this video, so I come do am for them. I come say make I post am for here. As una see now, I wan do number and numeration. I understand say even as adults sef, some of us no sabi count numbers. We fit count we sabi count, but some of us no sabi read numbers or call numbers. If you ask some of us make we pronounce this number, even as adults, we no go know where to start. Whether this number dey in millions, abi in trillions, abi in billions, some of us no know. We no know the number of digits wey dey make hundreds of thousands, hundreds of millions, not talk of tens of billions and others. Some of us no fit call numbers like this. So na im make I say make I post this video here. As you can see my color, small children color. I'm terrible with color combination, but I just hope say this one makes sense. I hope say una see wetin dey here. We go study large and small numbers for this session. So large, wetin be large numbers? So large numbers na their name be this. The first one na 1,000, 1 to 1,000. 10 raised to power 3. Multiply 10 by 10 3 times. So na im be the first large number, abi the smallest large number. If that language makes sense, we get tens of thousands, we get hundreds of thousands, and then we come million. A million now na 1,000,000. Na so dem dey write 1 million. 1 million na one with 6 zeros. We know that one. I know say we sabi write am. One with 6 zero na 1,000 raised to power 2. So if we square 1,000, multiply 1,000 by 1,000, we go get a million. Billion nko? Billion na 1,000 million. Billion na 1,000 raised to power 3. You multiply 1,000 times 1,000 times 1,000. Or if you multiply 1,000 by 1,000 squared, you get a billion. But what of trillion? Trillion na 1,000 billion. 1,000 raised to power 4. So if you multiply 1,000 by 1,000 by 1,000 by 1,000, or you multiply 1,000 and 1,000 by 1,000 squared, or you multiply 1,000 by 1,000 cube, you get a trillion. Large numbers are in the multiples of thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and thousands of thousands. Na im be large numbers, abi? So now we go learn how to read large numbers. Na the next thing we go do. So make we see how to read and write large numbers. Like the first one wey I been write. Some of our phone numbers dey in this form. How we dey take read numbers? We dey read large numbers from decimal points. This number, the decimal point dey here now. Because this one get non-significant decimal point. All the decimal point na 0. Na im make we no put all these ones. So we start from here. We group the digits in threes from here. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Remember, if our number dey in units, na 1 digit e dey be. If e dey in tenths, na 2 digits. If e dey in 100, na 3 digits. If e dey in thousands, na 4 digits. If e dey in tens of thousands, na 5 digits. If e dey in hundreds of thousands, na 6 digits. A million na 7 digits. In tens of millions, na 8 digits. If e dey in hundreds of millions, na 9 digits. Billion now na 10 digits. In tenths of billion, e go be 11 digits. Now I don summarize am for you like this now. This our number now wey dey in 11 digits, dey in tens of billions. Abi, if you dey familiar with this, when you see number, your brain can easily recollect and put them together in a few moments, and then you pronounce it exactly. They call am defragmentation or detachment. You understand? You detach them in threes like this, then you go recollect them very, very fast. So like this one now, if you detach them in 3, you know that this one now is the unit, this one is the 10, this one is the 100 where the number dey, and then here you know say this one is the 1,000 where the number dey, this one is the tens of thousands, this one is the hundred of thousands, and then you go like that. Abi? So make we pronounce this number. This number na 18,36,754,153. You know say me I be Igbo boy now. I'm tempted to put naira, so I go put naira. Yes, that's my target before this year ends. If you subscribe my YouTube channel and mobilize others, make them subscribe my YouTube channel, I think by the end of the year you go make this money. Naija matter. Anyway, let's continue.